wait lang po habang naka-infinity. Bibilang kami ha. Bibilang tayo 1 to 10, okay? Magkikis po kayo. Hanggat hindi niyo po naririnig yung 10, bawal pong bumitaw po yung labi niyo, okay? Hindi pa magkikis kayo. Okay? Habang naka-infinity. Wait lang po ah. Bilang po tayo lahat. Dapat malakas. Okay? Ready? Go! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Thank you so much po sa ating mga supplier for our event place. Has been placed by Mr. Arsenio and Mrs. Consihala. Has been. And for our catering service, Anne's catering service located at Cabanatuan, Nueva Ecija. And for our sounds and lights, sir, and the lighting sounds. For our photo and video, B, portraits. And for our visual hair and makeup, Angela Bautista, Humwa. And I will see you on to our tour. Thank you so much, Ma'am Cherry Cruz. 8, 9, 10. Palakpakan naman natin our music. Come on. Walang bitaw. Okay, I announce po the plate number or NIM719 yung minshot niyo po basa. Ayan. Hindi po, may makikitaan lang po. Ayan, so makipuntahan po yung sasakyan nyo. Okay, now ladies and gentlemen, let's move on to our next program. Ayan.